Police are blaming road rage after one person was shot and rushed to the hospital tonight.
This happened around 7:30 p.m. in Edmond near 178th in Portland. Oklahoma City police say that this started as a road rage incident. We're told the shooter and victim actually knew each other and live in the same neighborhood. Police say when they got to the home, then they got into a fight. That's when one neighbor shot the other. The victim taken to the hospital. First responders say that they were alert and talking. Officers did detain the shooter, and they are being interviewed by investigators.
Tonight, Philadelphia police are searching for answers after a man and a woman were both shot in broad daylight. This is the 10 o'clock news. I'm Greg Payne. Neighbors say this shooting may have stemmed from a case of road rage. Our Cheyenne Corinne reports from police headquarters.
Well, the woman who was shot, she's expected to physically recover, but the man, he's in the hospital fighting for his life. Now, these two people, they were shot while inside of the car, so neighbors in Nicetown, they suspect that this may have been an incident of road rage.
Caution. Bus is turning.
It's happening more frequently, in Philadelphia, but, we got to get a grip on this crime out here. It don't make no sense.
Around 2:30 this afternoon, Philly police were called to the Nicetown neighborhood on Windham Ave for a double shooting. When they arrived, they found a 32-year-old woman shot in the elbow and a 30-year-old man shot in the chest.
Don't nobody want to fight no more. Like, back in the day, we had a dispute, we'd get into a fight. Now everybody's so emotional.
Preston Davis works with the Philadelphia Anti-Drug, Anti-Violence Network and is from the neighborhood. He came to the scene following the shooting and heard this was possibly an incident of road rage. Witnesses told Fox 29 the victims were found inside this black Ford.
When you got kids in the car and people, want to kill you over, you might have crossed me over in a lane. It's not that deep.
And this shooting, possibly stemming from road rage, doesn't surprise Davis, as he says this is a busy roadway and he sees a lot of careless driving.
You can see right there, look, it just was a car accident right there. You see that? Because cars got an inch up from off of Cortland and they can't really see what's coming from around Windham. And you see that just that fast. It almost got deep.
Philly police say the victim is stable, but the man is in critical condition.
This was a tragedy, so I hope that they, come and be able to, survive, this attack. I'm gonna keep him in my prayers, and I just hope him and his family make it out safe.
Now, at this time, no suspects have been arrested. There also haven't been any weapons recovered. But if you have any information about what happened, you're asked to contact police.